My name is Amali Samarasinghe, and I am an instructor at University of Tennessee Health Science Center in the Department of Pediatrics. And my best time ever as a scientist would be when I got to meet Dr. Sami Saeed, who was the founder of vasoactive intestinal peptide, which I was working on as a graduate student. Why did I decide on immunology would be because I happened upon it. I took a class as an undergrad, a senior class with Dr. Lisa Banner at Cal State Northridge in immunology, and she was so fantastic that I got turned on to the field. What drives me is the need to understand how cells interact with one another, and I am studying asthma and influenza, and influenza is a new field for me. I've only done it for the past 2 years, and I am actually right now looking at a cell that is thought to have just antiparasitic roles, and some controversial data that I've generated in my model has led me to believe that eosinophils are playing an antiviral role in influenza. So that's what drives me. What do I hope for my future? Of course, to have lots of publications and a very successful lab. And I've been lucky as far as mentors go. My PhD advisor, Dr. Jane Shu, was phenomenal. She's the one who introduced me to AAI and encouraged me to go to all the meetings. Dr. John McCullers has been a tremendous mentor and continues to be, because he's now the chair of the pediatrics department. And actually what I've found is that in the process of grant writing and getting into that, I was able to contact people like Dr. Helene Rosenberg at the NIH and Dr. Wilskop, and now at Johns Hopkins, and I've seen that they're willing to help the young scientists perceive their goals. And I've had the opportunity of talking to the #1 person in airway physiology, that's Dr. Jason Bates. I was on the phone with him for about an hour, and it's just fascinating that these older, more senior scientists are willing to take the time away from their busy schedules and talk to the younger people and actually perform a mentoring role. The field of immunology is evolving, and it's evolving really fast. So it's not enough to just study a disease on the surface. Now we go in deeper and deeper and deeper to the molecular level, and then we're understanding that this is what I think is fascinating, is that what applies to one disease in a different organ, then also when you read about that topic, you learn that there are things that you can apply to your own disease. So it's really connected, and I think that's fascinating. The 2013 conference is special because it's the 100th anniversary, and I came here hoping to meet people, hoping to see the legends, and we did have a chance to do that with the VIP lounge, and also the timeline was just spectacular, just to see how far the field has come, and for a young person just getting into it, to actually hear these people who've made the discoveries stand up there and give the talks was just amazing.